Hi guys, I'm Stranger. Want these smooth zoom in and zoom out Twixtor transitions for your video edits? Here's the tutorial for all of you guys. Now open a new composition. Copy my composition settings and set the FPS to 60. Now drag the clip that you want. Fit the clip height by pressing these keys. Now cut the clips that you want for the edit. Now pre-compose the clips by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus C. Now in Effects tab and Search, type Twixtor and select Twixtor Pro and drag that to the clip. Now copy my settings. Now untick the box and type the native FPS of the clip to get a smoother frame rate. Now change frame interp from blend to motion weighted blend. Now click the keyframe of the speed in the beginning of the clip. Now press U to see the keyframe. Now set the speed to 200. Now go to the middle of the clip and make another keyframe and set that to 40. Now go to the ending of the clip again. Make a keyframe of 200. Now copy all the keyframes and press F9. Now click the graph and copy my settings. Now copy this effect and paste this in all clips. And also make some adjustments after pasting the keyframes. Now we get a smooth Twixtor slow motion in 60 FPS. Now for zoom in effect, now drag it to the clip. Click the Z dist and make a keyframe. At the end of the clip, make a keyframe of 0.7. Now copy all the keyframes and press F9. Now click the graph and copy my settings. Now copy this effect and paste this in all clips. And also make some adjustments after pasting the keyframes. For zoom out, make the keyframe reverse to get that effect. Now we got the smooth zoom in and zoom out Twixtor transition. After all done, adding CC will give a quality effect.